Alright, now let's do some programming using the join, includes, and index of array methods you learned about in the previous lecture. We'll create a small search feature for a product list. All products that are currently in stock like eggs, milk, and bread get stored inside an array. We'll create a program that lets you search if a product is in stock or not. The program will also list all of the products that are currently in stock. To code along with me, first download the course folder from the link in the description below and open it with your favorite code editor. Here I'm using Visual Studio Code. From the course folder, open the exercise folder called JavaScript Arrays. And then open the index.html file in the browser. In the index.html file, remember to link search.js file. Inside the search.js file, you'll find an array named inStock holding all the products that are in stock. The search variable is assigned the value that user types into a prompt dialog box. When the page loads, a prompt dialog displays to let the user know that they can type the product name to search the available product list. There's also a message variable which we'll use to hold a message that gets displayed on the page to the user. First, let's write the programming to search the array. If what the user types into the prompt dialog matches the value in the in-stock array, it will display a message letting them know that the product is in stock. This sounds like a job for a conditional statement. What should the condition be in this case? Remember, the includes method searches for a value in an array and returns either true or false. In the condition, I'll check if the in-stock array includes the value assigned to the search variable. If the condition evaluates to true, we'll let the user know that the product is in stock by assigning the message variable the string. Yes, we have $ curly braces, the value assigned to search, and to make the product text appear bold on the page, I'll place it within strong tags. If the product is not included in the array or in stock includes evaluates to false, it will display a message informing the user that the product is not in stock by assigning message variable the string. I want to display this final message in a paragraph that's inside the main element of index.html. To do that, I'll use document.querySelector to select the main element. Then set its inner HTML property to a template literal holding p tags. Between the p tags, I'll insert the value of the message variable. Before I view this in the browser, I'll open index.html and add a set of h1 tags with the text product list. I'll save the change. Refresh the page. The prompt dialog appears. I'll type pizza. Click OK. And I see the message, yes, we have pizza. Refresh the page. I'll type apple. Click OK. This time I get the message, sorry, you don't have apple. Good. Now, if a product is in stock, let's also display its index or position in the product list. You learned that the indexof method returns the index of an array element. I'll insert it into the if statement's message like this. It's $ curly braces in stock dot indexof the value of search, then outside the curly braces, type. I'll also display a hash symbol or number sign just before the index value. This will search the array for the in-stock product and return its index value starting from 0. First, I'll correct this closing strong tag. Then I'll save the change. Refresh the page. Now if the user types pizza, they'll see the message, yes, we have pizza, it's number 0 on the list, which seems a bit strange. Remember that the index of the elements starts from 0. To fix this, I'll update this expression to display the element's current index plus 1. That way the product's displayed to the user starting from 1 instead of 0. I'll save the changes, refresh the page, I'll type pizza, click OK, and I'll get the message, yes, we have pizza, it's number 1 on the list. I'll refresh the page and type butter, click OK, and I'll get the message, yes, we have butter, and it's number 6 on the list. Next, if the user clicks cancel button without typing anything, that's going to return the value null, which, as you have learned, is JavaScript's way of saying that there's an empty value here. In this case, the search variable points to nothing. Also, if a user clicks OK without typing anything, that returns the message, sorry we don't have, then a blank space. So I'll also check for any null or empty string values using a conditional. And I need to check for null and empty string values on the first place. So I'll update my current if statement to an else if clause. Then right above, add an if statement. I'll use the logical not operator in the condition to check if the value assigned to the search variable is falsy like this. Logical not operator. In other words, a value that's considered false when evaluated. Example of falsy values are null, an empty string, the number 0, and the keyword false. But I'm only checking for null and empty string. In that case, I also want to list all the products in stock. I'll use a template literal to assign the message variable a string holding all the products in stock. You learned that an array's join method lets you create a single string composed of all the elements in an array. I'll start with the message in stock, wrap it with strong tags, then call the join method on the in stock array like this. And to separate each element in the list, I'll pass the join method a string consisting of a space, pipe, and space. Now when this code runs, the join method will return a string like this. I'll save the changes, refresh the page, and click the cancel button without typing anything. And good. That displays all the products or elements in the in-stock array like this. They also appear if I click OK button without typing anything. Finally, the includes and indexof methods are case sensitive. Currently, all the in-stock array values are lowercase. So if a user typed an in-stock item using a capital letter or any uppercase letter, the includes method will return false and the indexof method will return -1. To fix that, I'll convert the text entered by the user to all lowercase characters using the toLowercase method like this. I'll save the changes, refresh the page. This time I'll type pizza in all uppercase characters. Click OK. And you'll see the message, yes, we have pizza, it's number 1 on the list. Good.